Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a hard reset on this speaker. So as you can see, this is the JBL PartyBox application, and at first we have to click on our speaker here. If you want to know how you can easily install this speaker, check our channel because we have a video for how to install this application and pair this speaker with your application. So, the first step to do a hard reset is scrolling down to the product settings, and here you have the factory reset button. I can click this factory reset button, and as you can see now, press and hold the play and light buttons on your speaker simultaneously for 10 seconds. Once the reset is successful, a power to off tone will play. Please note that all settings and data on the speaker will be permanently erased. So as you can see, here we have this light button and play button. So now we have to search on our speaker for these buttons. I see them. These are the two buttons we have, the sliders, and let's hold them for 10 seconds. Unfortunately, I can't show you this process, but mine is done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.